It ain't for everybody. Welcome to Hollywood, baby.
Picture.
Let's
not even talk about it.
do it.
Go. I see your jealousy as you're watching.
Hey loves, it's your girl Pretty Face Time and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, thank you for tuning in. Hopefully by the end of this video, you too will be a new subscriber to my channel. So today I am bringing you guys more sauce and drip with these wigs. So today I wanted to do something different, and I really wanted to do something towards more of the natural girl community. So if you are kind of like me and you're like natural and the wigs are kind of like your escape, basically, like, because I be looking like Set It Off Cleo up under these wigs, okay? Straight backs, literally. So with that being said, I have a new wig for you guys, and this one is from the Vivica Fox collection, and this is in the style Roots, and I have her in the color 1B, and I just thought this was cute. It reminded me of a perm rod set or whatever. So let's just jump straight into it. This is a lace wig, so I'm just going to take this right on out of the box, and it looks just like this. Of course, this is another wig that has the double siding, so definitely be careful when you guys open it. It comes with your standardized cue cards and everything like that. So it's just basically letting you know that it's a lace front. It really doesn't tell you anything except on the back is telling you exactly how to take care of your synthetic wig, which we know how to do that, y'all. So now I'm just going to take out all of the wig fillings and everything like that, and I'm going to take off the neck. So one thing that this wig does come with is it comes with a part. So if you did want to wear it like this, I know some people, they like to wear it all over the place. This reminds me of a cute jerry curl, but it definitely reminds me of, you know, when you're doing a perm rod set and you just want to let your curls loose. That's what that reminds me of, basically. So this does come with your standardized lace just like this. It is soft lace, it's not really hard lace. So, but if I were you ladies, I would still protect those edges. So please give me a second to put this wig on. I'm super hype. I believe it's gonna be super gorgeous. So definitely give me a second. Hold on, I will be right back. Chill out. I'll be right back. So if you are okay, loves, so I just want to go off of the rim by saying I totally love this wig. And yeah, this is one of those wigs that literally is all into the and here's the part too. That part is super ugly. Look, this is what it looks like. Or hold on. So I like low-key love this wig. I was gonna do it the same way that the model had it on her head, but honestly I kind of like my way a little bit better. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna show you exactly what the model has on her, like how she's wearing this, and then I'm going to show you exactly the difference. So she's wearing hers like in an afro type, but I didn't want to do that because I just didn't like it on me like that. So I decided to basically cut it to where as though it framed my face a little bit more, to where as though it really looked like a natural hair. Like, it's so cute. I thought that once my hair gets bigger that this is kind of like what it would look like, but I really thought this wig was bomb.com. Yeah, so I really think this wig is super dope. I just love curls. Curls is for the girls, okay? But yeah, so anyway, the D's on this wig is that there are two combs in the front, and then it's one comb in the back. And then of course it comes with your adjustable straps. Now this wig is definitely big head friendly. Like I say, it's super gorgeous. Like, everybody loves natural hair. But for some girls, like, for instance, like for females like me, I cannot grow. My hair is not this thick whatsoever. But I don't have naturally big, thick hair like how this hair is. So I know like some women, they have big hair like this. Me personally, I don't. So these would be like one of the wigs that would be ideal for me. So yes. So if y'all see me around and I got hair like this, yes, boo-boo, it's not my real hair. It's definitely a wig, okay? So if you are loving, and I mean loving, this gorgeous wig, definitely stop playing around. Hit that link down below and go ahead and purchase yours, okay? And she's for the low. She's not even expensive, so what you wasting your time for? Go. Buy her. Meow. So yes, if you guys definitely love this wig, I will definitely leave the link down below so that way you can purchase your own. And of course, it's always been a pleasure for you guys to stop by and have some tea time with me when you guys are looking for affordable and of course sexy wigs to rock. Okay, so until next time, loves, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to your girl's channel. Okay, so again, don't forget to hit me up on social media about any type of questions that you guys may have. I am on Facebook, Instagram, and of course your girl is on Snapchat. And I will leave these links down below, and of course right here on the screen. Right here. I don't know. It's going to be on the screen somewhere. Okay? So, yeah, definitely don't forget. And, of course, as always, it's been a pleasure. Hopefully, I'll see you guys in my next video.
It ain't for everybody. Welcome to Hollywood, baby.
Picture.